Wales is the only country in the world that has legislated to protect the interests of future generations through our groundbreaking Wellbeing of Future Generations Act. And put simply, it requires all of our public institutions, our local authorities, our health institutions and so on, and significantly the Welsh Government itself, to demonstrate how they're taking decisions in a way which meets today's needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. And it sets out these 7 long-term national wellbeing goals that we're all aspiring to here in Wales, and we have to take steps to reach. And then it establishes my role, an independent commissioner, to hold the government and others to account on how they're delivering and meeting the needs of future generations. Our 7 wellbeing goals are for a prosperous Wales. We've got goals for a more resilient Wales, which is about our ecosystems, a healthier Wales, a more equal Wales, a Wales of cohesive communities, a Wales of vibrant culture and thriving Welsh language, and a globally responsible Wales. And what those 7 wellbeing goals mean together is that they recognise that everything is interconnected, because we will not have a prosperous Wales if we do not tackle our climate and nature emergencies. There are no jobs on a dead planet. We won't have a healthier Wales if we don't have people working in decent jobs, not jobs that are, bad for their health, which are not paying a decent wage, and so on. Wales really has a template to share with the rest of the world as the only country that have done this, a template which could be used in the United Nations, could be used by other governments. And there are governments across the world who are really looking at how can they improve their system of governance to make sure that they're taking decisions in the long term. We're determined not just to be global consumers, but to be global citizens. And that's why we have set these ambitious climate change targets for decarbonisation. It's why we have a Wales for Africa programme. It's why we plant a tree for every child born here in Wales, but also in Uganda. We are absolutely determined that we will be at the forefront of this low carbon revolution. As a mother, I am absolutely passionate about ensuring that we've got a planet to leave behind to our future generations and a world where they can thrive rather than just survive. That will take everyone to play their part. It will take the small nations like Wales with the big ideas to be taken up by other parts of the world. It will take us as individuals, as organisations, as companies, and so it's so important that we all come together to make sure that the decisions we take today are not adversely affecting those yet to be born. That's my job as a mum, that's my job as Future Generations Commissioner, and that should be all of our jobs.